In this lesson, we're going to have a look at how to calculate the mean when you have a set of scores and frequencies. In the first method that we used, there were no frequencies. We just had a whole lot of numbers. We put them into one single column of a table and worked out the mean. This time we've got a frequency. So this is how we do it. It says turn the calculator off to clear the memory. So we'll turn it off. And on most calculators it's Shift AC. So that's off. Then it says turn it on again. So it's on there. Press the mode button. There's mode. And 2 for the statistics. Now we're going to select 1 for 1 minus VAR, which is the statistics mode, and there's our column. However, we need 2 columns. So according to the instructions, we press Shift Setup. So there's Shift and Setup. We need to get to we need to go down and select 3 stats. So there's 3. And we turn the frequency on by pressing 2. And that didn't work. Oh yes, there we go. No, let's go back again and see what we did wrong. So we go Shift, Setup. Where is it? Sorry, yeah, there it is. Okay, so there it is. We go to 2. We go to 1. Okay, there's our 1 column. So then it says, if there is no frequency column, press Shift Setup. So Shift Setup. Then it says replay down. So we go down. We click on 3. Then it says then 1 to turn the frequency on. So, oh, I see, I pressed it off. So there we go to on. And then we've got our answer. Sorry about that, but hopefully that's a little bit of a review for you. Now we've got the frequency columns. So let's see. We put in our scores first by pressing them in, and automatically a 1 comes up in the frequency column. Let's leave it like that for the moment and enter the others. There's 5 equals, 6 equals, 7 equals, and 8 equals. And then we scroll across and up. There's 4, and we just replace it, overwrite the 1 with our 9 equals, our 12. Just delete that. 12, there we go, equals 5, 2, and 1. There we go. So they're all in now in the columns. So it says enter all the scores by pressing the equal signs and so on. Okay, the next thing is we press AC again. That clears it, but it doesn't actually clear it, just clears the screen. All the data is still in there. Now it says here the process of finding the mean and the standard deviation, we'll look at that later, but the mean is the same as outlined in the example using scores without frequencies. So if you look back in your notes, this is what we did. In order to get the information, we press Shift 1 and up comes our possibilities. Now we're going to select 4 for VAR. There it is there. And we select 2 for the mean and we press equals. And there's our answer. They say 5.1 is our answer. And if you look at this, that rounds to 5.1 to 1 decimal place. Once again, you need to practice this. Make sure you can turn the columns, the frequency column on and off appropriately, because you'll need to do this later on in tests and examinations.